Good day to you, ladies and gentlemen. It's Jeff here from 10x Forex. That's right. Trading with the flow. That's right. And also, as you know, straightforward Forex principles. Many people have been asking me about smart money. I've been shown smart money on a 15-minute trade setup. Today, I'm going to go to the hour setup. As many people are asking me about large time frames, I'm going to go there right now. A quick look at the charts, ladies and gentlemen. Oh, yeah, hold on. Great British Pound JPY. Hour now. Get this here. I am picking this. Trade line shift 10x. It's smart money concept. Here's my rules I follow down here, gentlemen. Now, all I want to do is point you to attention of this here. That's right, ladies and gentlemen. And here, coming down. See that? So people are saying, Jeff, you've been asking, you mentioned order blocks, you've been mentioning supply and demand side. So what do you do? What's your setup? More importantly, how can I take advantage of it? Step one is to recognize the structure of the market. Step two, got a couple of indicators that I'm happy to show you. Yep, simple higher highs, higher lows. And this here says the higher, a lower high, and a lower high. You see this is dropping as well. Yeah, and what we're looking for, so I put on this order block. We're looking for where it says a bearish order block. Now, why bearish? Because the trend is going down. So we get this order block here, ladies and gentlemen. All we do, go there, take the full size of that there. Right, just there. Hear this, ladies and gentlemen. Right there. With a view to the price to come back up and come down. So what I'm doing is put bar replay on for this so you can see what happens. Before we do that, let's go down to the 5-minute time frame. Go back. It's back on.
The NYSE and NASDAQ have a combined daily volume of only $200 billion. But take a look at this list of the top hedge funds and how much assets they have. You don't have to do much calculation to know how much influence these institutions have over the stock market. If you've traded in the stock market before, you might have seen price action like these. When prices go past a major level that everyone thinks is going to hold, and when you've taken a loss thinking that maybe you were wrong, it suddenly reverses and makes a huge move to the other side.
That's right, ladies and gentlemen. 19, 0 to right there. Yeah. Go down to the 5-minute time frame, hit that button, and there we go. Is that what I was doing? That's going to draw these on before. Yeah. I'm going to switch off these here for just now. Yeah, that was it there. This was the order block we put on here. Yeah. Now, when you're going down to the 5-minute exchange, what I want to do is to change this one here from 5 to 2. Yep. Right there. Is it going to come back up? We're looking at this. Okay. Indeed. Still waiting. Oh, see what happened there? Spike. But set alerts. That's what we do. Set alerts. Oh, let's watch what happens now. This is the key bit. Comes back up. Yeah, it's broken through. Wait for the liquidity grab. That's exactly what it's done. On a higher time frame, you see this. Yeah, let me show you this now on the 1 hour. Yes, ladies and gentlemen. Liquidity grab. Took all these stop losses out, push down. It's part of the rules down here. Look for liquidity grabs. Nothing changes. Now we've got this, though we want it to break this low. Break this low. Not yet. Not yet, ladies and gentlemen. Yep, we've done it. See that there? So what we're looking for now for entry is the last order block that caused this push. Yeah, just double checking. This is only two, absolutely. This was the order block that caused the push below the low. Let me just show you. What caused that? It's part of the look for liquidity. Broke through. Order blocks have to break a structure. Yeah, we've got the order block, break a structure, we go back. Support resistance that broke it. What caused it is here. Order shifts to something else. We now price to go back up to here. Before we do that, ladies and gentlemen, draw a zone. That's right. Draw a zone. Before we do that, all we're looking for, let's take off the bullish. We're only looking for the bearish. We're only looking for bearish. Yeah. Yeah, so just draw this right there. What we're hoping is just to come back up here, push down. So what we'll do is, some of this is confusing, but let's just do it here, here, or here. Do it there, you might miss it. There, you might miss it. You might miss it right there, ladies and gentlemen. 50%. Rather than putting it right on the top, I'll look at it. And what we're going to do is we're going to go for this low here. Look left. Over the start just there. Yeah. Let's go to back to the hour. And these clicks right in here. And let's just see what happens, ladies and gentlemen. Five minute bar replay. I want it to come back up to here, just so you know, a little reminder. Is it going to do it? Not yet. Ladies and gentlemen, almost there. Will it achieve it? All is dancing. Okay. We've now went into this zone. You see that there? It just went into it. We had that there, just above there. And what we're looking for, let's start off with this. Let's aim for here. Bear in mind, 5%. Taking partials all the way down. Let's see what happens. At this point here, ladies and gentlemen, see what 4.5%. I would definitely encourage to take at least 50% off. In this order block here. And sometimes it actually comes back up. And if you hadn't taken partials, then I've got nothing. Yeah. Another bearish order block. Thinking about so the other 50% you see. Nearly 9, 10%. Now let's look left. Let's look left. What are our targets, ladies and gentlemen? What's our targets? Broke through all these. There is no, look at these wicks here. Look at these wicks. Reversal zones. That's where we're at right now. At this, I'd be very tempted to take the 40% off and just let 10% run and just see what happens. So we've got nearly 10%, 90% of that. Thank you very much, ladies and gentlemen. This is Jim. 10x Forex method. Showing you, that's right, smart money concepts. Showing you our time frame. Previously looked at the 15-minute time frame. I'm opening this up to you. Order blocks, smart money concepts. You want to call it supply and demand, do that. Use a higher high, lower low. Use your order blocks. Ladies and gentlemen, my name is Jeff. Look forward to seeing you. Get involved, ladies and gentlemen. Get involved if you want to take advantage of similar trades to this. Have a great day. Bye for now.